hot water and steam milk foam machine. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right of a length of 11 inches. Keep the depth 10.25 inches. And on height, 24.5 inches tall. Left and right grip handles to make this easy to move. Coming to the top of the control panel, the left button being the setting. The sensor will be the up and down for temperature. Going to the bottom will be a drip tray. Measurements of the tray will include 10.25 inches in length by 2.5 inches in height. Coming to the left and right are two separate nozzles. The first nozzle to dispense your liquid. The second to create your drinks with the foam feature. Coming to the back will be a separate water hose along with the 110 voltage.
For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.